Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I will not say anything about English grammar or anything else. Today I will just share how I am learning English nowadays and how I am practicing English at home. Okay, without further delay, let's get started. Today is my first video, and nowadays I am thinking I will start a grammar series with myself. I have a basic English spoken English syllabus, then I will cover that syllabus. That is so basic, that is so important for me. I will not say about others because some people does not like to read or know about English grammar, and they are sometimes they are getting bored with the English grammar. That's why I will not say to anybody to read grammar, to know grammar, but grammar is so important according me, because if I will not know about English grammar, then how can I talk English, and then how start a English spoken English grammar series that based on spoken English syllabus. I will start this video from tomorrow, and that's enough for this video. Thank you for watching my video. Then if you want to learn English with me, or if you want to grow yourself together, then you can join and you can subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.